This is an IELTS sample answer. Keep practicing to build confidence. To try a mock test with these questions, watch our mock test video. The link to the PDF document is in the first comment. Want to improve your IELTS writing skills? Check out our new IELTS writing channel. Let's start off by talking about jobs. What job would you like to have in the future? Why?
I'd love to be a travel blogger because I enjoy exploring new places and writing. It allows me to work independently, experience different cultures, and share my adventures with others.
Do you prefer working alone or in a team?
I prefer teamwork because it encourages idea sharing and motivation. Learning from others helps improve productivity. However, I also appreciate working alone sometimes when I need to focus without distractions.
What are the most common jobs in your country?
Healthcare, education, and technology jobs are common in my country. Many people work as teachers or nurses because these jobs offer stability. Recently, IT jobs have become more popular due to technological advancements.
Is it better to choose a job based on salary or interest? Why?
Choosing a job based on interest is better because passion leads to satisfaction. A high salary is great, but if someone dislikes their work, they may feel stressed and unhappy in the long run.
What was your dream job when you were a child? Has it changed?
I wanted to be a doctor because I admired helping others. However, I later realized I enjoy creative work more, so now I prefer a career related to writing or teaching.
That's the end of part 1. Now we are going to move to part 2. In this part, you will have 1 minute to prepare and then speak up to 2 minutes. Describe an online video where you learned something new. You should say when and where you watched it, what it was, why you watched it, and explain what you have learned from it.
One online video that taught me something new was a cooking tutorial I watched on YouTube. I came across it while searching for healthy dinner ideas. The video was titled, How to Make a Quick and Easy Stir Fry in 15 Minutes. It was uploaded by a popular food blogger. At the time, I often ate takeout, which was unhealthy and expensive, so I wanted to learn how to cook simple, nutritious meals at home. The video was shot in a neat kitchen, and the host explained each step clearly, from chopping vegetables to seasoning the dish. She used ingredients like bell peppers, broccoli, tofu, and soy sauce, which were all readily available in my pantry. What stood out to me was her tip on marinating tofu beforehand to enhance its flavor, something I had never tried before. She also showed how to cook vegetables to keep them crunchy, making the dish more appealing. Beyond learning a new recipe, I picked up valuable cooking techniques. For example, I know prepare ingredients in advance to save time and balancing flavors by adjusting soy sauce and adding honey. The tips were practical and easy to follow. Therefore, they have since become a regular part of my cooking routine. Overall, it was a great learning experience. It improved my cooking skills, encouraged me to eat healthier, and helped me save money by reducing my reliance on takeout food. Watching this video was a small change that made a big difference in my daily life.
That's the end of part 2. Now we are going to move on to part 3. We'll continue discussing the topic of online videos. What kinds of videos are most popular in your country?
In my country, entertainment videos like comedies, music videos, and short dramas are extremely popular. For example, platforms like YouTube and TikTok are flooded with funny clips and viral challenges. Additionally, educational content, such as tutorials and life hacks, is also widely watched because people find it practical and useful for their daily lives.
Are there many people who watch online videos a lot?
Yes, a large number of people, especially younger generations, spend a significant amount of time watching online videos. For instance, many teenagers and young adults watch gaming streams, vlogs, or makeup tutorials regularly. Particularly, smartphones and fast internet have made watching videos easier, so online videos become a pastime for many.
Do you think people spend too much time watching short videos? Why?
Yes, I believe many people spend excessive time watching short videos, especially on platforms like TikTok or Instagram Reels. These videos are designed to be addictive. They use fast changes and interesting content to keep people scrolling for hours. For example, some people lose track of time and end up neglecting their responsibilities or missing out on real life interactions.
Why are so many young people obsessed with short videos?
Young people are drawn to short videos because they are entertaining, easy to consume, and provide quick satisfaction. For example, platforms like TikTok show endless new content, such as dance challenges and funny clips, which keep them interested. Allos, liking, commenting, and sharing make these videos even more engaging.
What are the advantages of online learning?
Online learning offers flexibility and accessibility, allowing people to learn at their own pace and from anywhere. For example, platforms like Coursera provide courses on a wide range of topics, making education more inclusive. It also saves time and money, as learners don't need to commute or pay for physical materials.
Do you think online learning will replace face-to-face learning?
While online learning is growing rapidly, I don't think it will completely replace face to face learning. For example, hands on subjects like medicine or engineering require practical experience that online platforms cannot fully provide. However, online learning will likely complement traditional education, offering more options and flexibility for learners worldwide.
That's the end of the speaking test. Good job.